Hi guys, so in this video we will be discussing about a chocolate distribution problem in arrays. Okay, so in arrays it's a very good problem and a lot of concepts will be cleared here. So what we have to do over here, we have to find out the minimum number of chocolates with a minimum difference that needs to be distributed among m students. Okay, so there is a specific array which contains the chocolates. Okay, so these are the chocolates in a particular packet. So this 7 means in one packet 7 chocolates will be there. Okay, so let's suppose there is one packet and in that 7 chocolates are present over here. And then is 3 means in another packet 3 chocolates are present. Okay, so like that it will keep on increasing. 7, 3, 2, 4, 9, 12, 5, 6. These are the array. That means there are separate packets containing these many amount of chocolates in that packets. Then m is the number of students. So I want these chocolates to be divided among these many students. So I want these chocolates to be distributed among m students in such a way that the difference will be minimum. Okay, the difference between these window. Okay, this is a window. M equal to 3 means you can consider like from this, like 3 chocolate packets needs to be considered over here. Just look at very closely. If I take it this 3, 2, 4. Okay, so I am considering only these 3. So m equal to 3. That's why I have taken 3 window of 3 chocolates. Okay, you are understanding it, right? So like that, now what we have to do, we have to find a minimum difference between the maximum and the minimum. Okay, so if I take these 3, what is the maximum element here? 4 will be my maximum and 2 will be my minimum. Okay, and what's the difference between the two? Difference will be 2. Okay, the same thing we have to check for overall all the array elements, and we have to find out which 3 chocolate packets are there whose maximum and minimum difference will be minimum. Okay, so I hope you have understood the problem, like what we are trying to say here. So any 3 window, if you consider, let's suppose I am considering one more window. Let's suppose I am considering 12, 5 and 6. Okay, so if I consider 12, 5 and 6, what's the maximum value over here? Maximum is 12 and minimum is 5. So what will be the difference? It is definitely greater than 2. So I will not consider this one. I want the difference between maximum and the minimum to be minimum. That is my requirement to find it out. Okay, so what we have to do here? So to proceed ahead, just try to sort it out by yourself. Try to solve it out by yourself first. Okay, so here what we have to do? First we have to do the sorting of the array elements. Why sorting is required over here, guys? Sorting is required because the position of array element is not required to be known. Okay, so if position get interchanged, then there will be no issue over here. Okay, so there is no question that is revolving around what is the position of the particular chocolate packet which needs to be distributed. No, right? So we can definitely sort the array elements and lot of problem will be resolved if we sort this. So after sorting, what will be my value of array? So let me sort it out first. Okay, so if I sort these array elements, what will be my final array after sorting this? So it will be like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12. This will be my sorted array. These are the chocolates which is distributed and it is in sorted array format now. So now m is equal to 3. So there are 3 students which needs to be, that chocolates needs to be distributed amongst them. Okay, so now what we have to do? I will take first window of 3. Okay, m equal to 3, so I will take first window. So this will be my first window. Okay, so in this window, what is my maximum? 4 is my maximum and 2 is my minimum. So difference will be 2 over here. Okay, I hope you are getting this. Then the window will be changed. So next window will be this one. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if I consider the maximum of this window is 5 and the minimum of this window is 3, and what's the difference between 3 and 5? It's 2. Okay, so this will become my minimum now. Okay, so first I will do sorting. So with the help of arrays.sort. Okay, so we can do arrays.sort and we will pass this array over here. Okay, so with the help of this I will get this array. Okay, and then we will be taking one min value, okay, and we will assign like integer dot max value, integer dot max value. Okay, so it will be like 2 to the power 32, so that will be the maximum value of any integer. So I am assigning that maximum value, so that if any value is found which is less than that, automatically min value will be assigned with that value. Okay, so after that I have found out like 2 is the minimum among this, the difference between maximum and minimum will be 2, but it is not less than the minimum here. Okay, so I will not change this value, it will be 2 only. Then I will go to next set of window. What will be my next window? Next window will be this 4, 5 and 6. So here also difference will be 6 minus 5. Okay, so here you can see like 4 is the minimum. Okay, those difference will be 6 minus 4, so it will be 2. So again it is 2. Then 5, 6, 7, again it is 2. 6, 7, 9, it will be 6 and 9. So it will be 9 minus 6 is 3. So which is greater than 2, so I will not consider. Then 7, 9, 12. So difference will be 12 minus 7, which is 5, which is greater than 2. So I will not consider. So what value came first? These came first, 2, 3, 4. So I will consider this as the answer. Okay. So how will I proceed with that? Okay. So first of all, I will take one thing. Okay. So let me remove this window. I hope you have understood the concept. So let me remove this. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12. So these were the elements given to us. Okay. So now what we have to do? First we have to take j here. Okay. Some variable we have to take here. I, j, k, anything you can take. So let's suppose I am taking j over here. So we have to start at some point, right? So I am starting at first index, which is j here, okay, and it will iterate over here. So it will move ahead with the window of m. Okay, so what is m? M is 3. So j will be here and m will be from 7, 3, 2. So here we will take, so j will be pointing to first index, which is 2, and it will go till m, which is j plus m. So what is this length here? The length will be j plus m. You are getting right why I am writing j plus m over here? Because j is the starting index and m is the number of students among which the chocolates needs to be distributed. So the total length will be j plus m. So now let's, then again j plus plus will happen. So j will again shift here. Okay. So from here, then we have to go m steps ahead. So m students are there, so I will go j plus m. So from here again 3. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, then 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this length will also be j plus m. Okay, so like this, then again j plus plus will happen. J will be at 4. So here this length will be j plus m. So like that we have to keep on moving. So we will write one while loop over here. Okay, you can do it using for loop also, it's up to your choice, but as of now I'm considering while loop over here. So what will I do here? I will go ahead till j plus m will be less than the length of the array, otherwise it will go array index out of bound. Let's suppose j came at this particular position. Let's suppose j came at this particular position, and now I am doing j plus m. So m is 3, so 1, 2. So it will go index out of bound. So to avoid index out of bound, we will write one condition. Okay. So what condition will I write over here? We will be writing while j plus m is less than this array dot length. Array dot length. Okay. So we will do while j plus m is less than array dot length. What we have to do over here? We will be taking one variable. Okay, so here we will take one variable to check what is the minimum. So I will take one variable called difference equal to integer dot max value. Okay, integer dot max value I will take. Then I will take diff equal to difference will be equal to math dot minimum. Okay, so you know, right, and there is a class called math class. Within this there are several methods present, like absolute, minimum, maximum, average, lot of things are present. So here we can take min value, and in one single line you can check whether this value is minimum or that value is minimum. Okay, to find out a minimum among just two elements at a time, we can make use of min method over here, which is present in math class. So here we will pass diff. Okay. So what I want the difference between the two. So what will be my difference? So first of all, the difference will not be my max. Okay, because we have to check what is, we have to compare with the minimum element. So what will be my difference? The difference will be, so this value will be how much? It's j plus m. Okay, so j plus m is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so j plus m is 3, so 0 plus 3 will be 3, so it will go at this particular point. So I need to go one index back, so I need to go to here. So I will do array at j plus m minus 1 minus array at j. This we have to do over here. Okay, I hope you are getting this concept, why I am doing like this. Because here you can see, if I do j plus m over here, so its index is 0, so 0 plus 3, it will go to this position, which is more than 3 numbers, 2, 3, 4, then 5 is coming. Okay, so I have to go till 4. Okay, so as index is starting from 0, so my end index will be minus 1, length minus 1. So I need to go till minus 1 at index. So I will do array at j plus m minus 1 to reach till here, minus array at j. What is array at j? Which is 2. So 4 minus 2, it will find it out a difference. So I need to find out a minimum. Okay, so now I will compare this difference with what is my min value. Okay, so I will compare with the min value. Okay, so whichever will be minimum, it will get swapped, and the difference will be stored in this variable called diff. Okay, so I hope you got a concept like how it is being working internally. So this thing is done now. Okay, so let's suppose I am taking one more variable over here, it will be good. Okay, same variable should not be taken. So compare. So I have taken int compare mat.min of diff and min. Okay, so min is integer dot max value. So whichever is minimum, it will automatically get swapped over here. Okay, then after that j was 0 here, right? Because j will be starting from 0, and then here we will be doing j plus plus. Okay, so this will be my logic. So is there any doubt in the logic? You can just comment it down, or you can ask me as well. So we'll be happy to help you all. It's very simple logic. So let me explain you once again. So there will be j plus m over here. J plus m means j is the starting point, m is the number of students among which the chocolate needs to be distributed. Okay, so window will be of m size only. So let's suppose m is 5. So now I will not take 3, I will take 5 window, and then I will check the difference between maxima and minima to get the minimum element. Okay, so then we will find it out the difference of the maximum and the minimum, and then with that value, okay, with that difference value, we will be comparing which one is the minimum among all those differences. Okay, and the minimum value will be stored in the comp variable, and then that comp will be returned over here. I will return comp from here. Okay, and then this j plus plus will happen, and it will, this loop will keep on going till j plus m is less than array dot length. Okay, so like this we have to write the logic, and you can just do it at your laptop. Okay, you will get the output properly. So what value we have to pass from the main method? From main method we have to pass this array, and we have to pass this number of students among which a chocolate needs to be distributed. These are what? These are number of chocolates in a packet. Okay, and 3 is m is students. So these chocolates needs to be distributed among these students, but in such a way that the difference between maximum and the minimum among this window should be the minimum. Okay, difference of maximum and minimum should be the minimum, and it needs to be compared across all the elements, 3 at a time or m at a time. Okay, for this it is 3 in this example, but in general m at a time we have to check with all the other elements, and we have to find it out the minimum difference, and we have to return that value. So this was the problem, chocolate distribution problem in array, which is very much important, okay, and can be asked. And product based company, this question has been asked. So I hope you have got the knowledge, you got a clarity like how arrays concepts can come. Okay, so practice it out, friends, and if there's any doubt, you can just reach out to me. So we'll see you in the next lecture. If you just like this video, please like and subscribe my channel so that I get more motivation to do these type of videos again and again. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.